Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Tech Channel.
In today's video, we will be showing you how to restore your WhatsApp account. If you uninstalled your WhatsApp application from your phone and then after some time you wish to restore your account, just go ahead and download the WhatsApp application from the Google Play Store. After the application is downloaded and installed, go ahead and open it up. Once the application launches, tap on Agree and Continue. Then you will be asked to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, tap on the Next button. Now either confirm your number by tapping on OK or hit the Edit button to edit your number. Once your number is confirmed, you will be asked to enter a verification code. After entering this code, tap on the Continue button and press the Allow button in order to allow the application permission into your contact as well as your storage. Now you will see the Restore Backup window. From here, you can tap on the Restore button in order to restore your WhatsApp account. Wait for the restore process to complete, and then you will be taken into your WhatsApp application. You will also be able to find all of your message conversations on your WhatsApp application as soon as the restore process is complete. So that's how easy it is to restore your WhatsApp account in case you have uninstalled it at some point. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.